bothered now.
Yeah.
Loose. We're going to Shipton North. Alicante.
No.
I've got this every time. You've been having Robert Shipton North.
Oh.
That I told you when you were little.
I've been to Rica. No,
Shipton North.
not sure. No.
You might have. You've forgotten.
Can't remember.
You'll see it.
I have been to Europe. I haven't been to Europe.
You've been to Europe.
I haven't been to the best part of 15 minutes.
How long was it since you went then? Did your dad take you?
Yeah, my dad. A few times.
Sorry?
A few times.
A few times.
Yeah, I remember when we as well. And Andrew.
Not to Eureka. Never been. It's too deep.
I don't know if it's changed.
I don't know. Now I got some new things in.
I'm just thinking how much would it be?
Well, it was £7 maybe 3 or 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Or maybe longer than that. I don't know, probably a tenner now.
Probably about a tenner.
Have you been to a museum in Bramley?
What's it called? Squatty Sisters.
And
I went to the museum, the Squatty Museum.
no, not that one. It's right for them. It's next gate.
I have right.
IMAX.
Oh no. But I have
It's
been.
called something else as well.
IMAX Cinema.
Yeah, it's in there.
No, I haven't been to it. But I have been to the Quantum Dash Rink.
Yeah, big time.
It's huge.
So,
Yeah. Again,
no, is it?
about 10 years I went. 10 years ago I went. 10, 15 years ago.
I think I went with another time. How long do you want to be to stay?
I was about 10 at the time.
What?
Are we going north or south?
North.
North.
No.
North east.
North east.
Yeah, probably North East because
Definitely north east.
This leads on.
Leeds Bradford is like kind of North East kind of.
Oh,
North East.
You're going east.
well,
You're east where you live.
yeah, eastern side of 670.
Full east.
Yeah.
Leeds Bradford is about North East area.
I would say it's south. behind us. They're not behind us.
Get that way.
It's like north, east, so whole back area is like south. So
Right. So what comes after all that places?
Middleton and all that one.
What else?
Belle Isle. Well.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is, yeah, it is. Well, it is.
I'll throw this out.
So, what's beyond Rockville going south?
Wakefield area.
Really?
Yeah.
Wakefield south?
Wakefield, Pontefract is south.
Yeah.
Pontefract.
Yeah.
That's another person.
He knows that. I know that because
I've been to Pontefract.
I have.
I don't know what's there though.
It's-
Shops.
it's like Leeds.
Yeah, it's very busy, really.
Yeah.
Loads of shops. What's beyond Pontefract? Going south. Is it Doncaster?
It goes towards Barnsley, Doncaster area, South Yorkshire.
Yeah, that's right. I know Pontefract because
South Salt.
South Elmsall.
Yeah.
I know that Pontefract is south Leeds because only the you I know that because you were Sean, but my cousin's dad lives in Pontefract area, so